bouncing on a tree. Ah, it's calling to me. B for ball, rolling down the hill. Boo, 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 it's giving me a thrill. Letters flying colors in the air. Every sound is bold and rare. Sing it loud, let it flow. From A to Z, let the rhythm grow. C for cat, creeping in the night. It's out of sight. D for dog, barking at the moon. Like a catchy tune. Letters flying colors in the air. Every sound is bold and rare. Sing it loud, let it flow. From A to Z, let the rhythm grow. E for eagle, soaring up so high. F for fish, swimming nearby. G for garden, growing so lush. H for happiness, a joyful rush. I for igloo, icy and cool. J for jam, sweet as a rule. K for kangaroo, hopping with flair. L for lantern, lighting the air. M for mango, juicy delight. N for night, stars shining bright. O for owl, wise in the trees. P for peacock, dancing with ease. Q for quail, quick on its feet. R for river, flowing so neat. S for sunshine, golden and warm. T for thunder, a powerful storm. U for umbrella, keeping us dry. V for violin, a melody to try. W for whale in the ocean deep. X for xylophone, tunes we keep. Y for yarn, spinning its thread. Z for zinnia, in the flower bed. Letters flying colors in the air. Every sound is bold and rare. Sing it loud, let it flow. From A to Z, let the rhythm grow.
Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos.